Welcome to Fundamentals. This time I'm going to show you how to go from e-commerce to manufacturing totally painless with Odoo. So let's get started. We have a web shop here. It's a normal web shop that you can customize, add content and blogs and whatever you need for your web shop. And then you can have several products listing with different options. So now we have, as an example, this Woom off-air 6 bike, and you will be able to select different colors. I just have one picture, but you can see two. Now add to cart. As a customer, I'll proceed to purchase. Of course, it's just a demo. I don't have any payment acquirer set up, but you can use PayPal or Stripe or lots of other payment acquirers. Now you pay, and since it is wire transfer, it will just show you a message that you have to do an order. You have to send a check through the bank account. Now, going to the backend, this other browser, we can go into website, check our unpaid orders. There's our order. Let's confirm it. If it was a payment acquirer like Stripe or PayPal, it would immediately receive the payment and even create invoice. Now, of course, you could create invoice pressing here and then send by mail, or you already have your deliveries here. So now we confirmed it. So you go into inventory, operations, replenishment, and now you see the procurement and what you need to trigger the manufacturing of this product. Preferred route manufacture could be a purchase. Uh, we can click one-time order. We can just automate it. So next time we get more orders, it will automatically create a manufacturing order. Now, as you see, we have a manufacturing order created. We can check availability. We see we don't have the raw materials we need to produce our bike. No worries. Let's check again. Replenishment. I believe it's already done automatically, so I just need to go into the purchase. I'll go into the purchase app, and since I had already said I wanted these raw materials to be purchased automatically, they are already created here. I just need to check the quantities and the price is the one that I expect. Then I just need to confirm the order, and there you go. So now we send this to our vendor. We are going to receive the products. We validate whenever the products arrive to our warehouse. And now we can go back to the manufacturing order. We check availability again. There you go. So we have them reserved, and now we can mark it as done. And let's go back to our sales app, check our orders, and proceed with the delivery. Validate, send the bike to our customer, and there you go. Now you can also create invoice, receive the payment, confirm the invoice. Everything is booked in your system. And that's it. That's how you can very easily manage to sell on your website and plan and manufacture and procure for the raw materials you need to do your order. Thank you. Bye bye.